Back live here, folks, on court 2. We have
Alright, guys.
Fiona Tully and Ciara Mahan representing.
So come here. It's just a simple rules as well. Try and keep it as clean as
Representing
possible.
Ireland,
The only
and
thing
we
I will be
have
calling
Sully
avoidance on if you're in
Ruiz
front.
and Melissa
So if Fiona's a
Sky
shot and you cut across in
representing
front of her,
America.
I'm not going to be replaying
This
that.
is
I'm saying that's just
the
unavoidable, okay?
open doubles.
So if she's a shot, you're not
final.
allowed to move in front of her.
And we have the great Conor McGrath as the referee, so it should be a good game.
That's what I'm going to call it down, okay? And same vice versa. Happy enough?
Everything
else with this culture.
Through the rules here with the girls before we start, and we should be starting in just about a minute.
Aye, they can move behind you, just they can't move in front of you. You're in the ball. Yeah. Yeah, happy enough, guys. Yeah, when they're at the shot, just try and move from behind. But you can't just move in front during the shot. Yeah.
And she comes in and I'm going in to hit the ball, she can't walk in with me.
No, yeah, I understand that.
That's what was happening.
Now up after this, now we
okay,
have the main double
has a serve
as well, and that will bring it
okay, folks.
To the
with the women's open doubles final of the World Wallball Championships here. Receiving serve from America, we have Sully Ruiz and Melissa Sky versus Fiona Tully and Ciara Mahan. Okay, folks? All the best.
Connor introduces
0 serving 0. Away we go.
We're off. Fiona to serve.
Side away.
Straight away from
and point.
And the Americans take the lead.
1 serving 0. Side away. The ball here.
We could be in for a game here of cat and mouse.
Set away. 1 serving 1. Set away.
Fiona drives the ball.
2 serving 1. Set away. Hold it there, guys.
So now Connor here, he's mic'd
okay,
up.
Guys. 2 serving 2.
So it scores 2 plays 2 here, and it's Ireland's second hand with Ciara Mahan to serve.
Set away.
Fiona goes for the big shot, but just
3 serving 2.
While driving it down to Ciara. Chance for Fiona. What a shot.
Set away.
What a shot from Fiona. She just pulls it straight across the court.
3 serving 3.
Fiona will be fired up for this one. Try and bring some medals home back to her famous Coleman's. She claps the hands.
4 serving 3. Point. 5 serving 3.
5-3 here. The Irish pair are kind of settling.
Outside. 5 serving 4.
Ciara goes for a
long
big
ball.
overhand serve. But
second
this
serve.
one served long.
Hold it. Play it again. Sorry, guys. Replay. You have 2 serves, yeah. 5 serving 4.
5 serving 4 here.
Long ball. Second serve.
Big rally here.
Point.
Melissa goes for it, and Melissa will shoot, as we've seen earlier on.
6 serving 4.
That's her go-to shot rolling off the shoulder and aiming for the bottom break.
I'd say
Outside.
called. Point. 7-4.
7-4.
Side away. To the ball. Here, Sully. 5-7. Hold it, play it again. No, but Melissa, you're the same now. You walked in front of Fiona, so we can't call it both ways. Stay your ground first. Replay. 5-7.
5-7.
So you can run in, just say it behind her. You just can't run in front at the start, okay? Any more of that, then we'll call downs. But that's the first one, okay? 5-7. Hey?
There's a bit of a hold up here and play as Connor's explaining to Melissa that she can't come in on the court until Fiona.
When Fiona was hitting the ball, though, you were moving in during Fiona's shot, so you were. When Fiona was hitting the shot, you were moving across in front of her as well, and I let that slide. So it's the same there. But any more of that, we'll try and keep it as simple as possible. Away we go. 5-7. Point. 5-8. 5-8.
5-7-8 as Mel here is to serve. Overhand toss there from Mel. Both player. Fiona's trying to just keep driving them back. 9-5 here.
9-5.
Big rally in the front and Bell tries to finish it.
Set away.
Great blocking there from Sully. She just stood the ground.
9-6.
Like a statue.
Side away. Eh? I know, but if the ball had been up, I'll give you the advantage there, Fiona. If the ball had been up, you would have been looking at it. Was there contact there, Melissa?
Contact called here. Fiona's appealing for the back
swing. If you hit swing, we'll have to replay that, okay? Yeah. Replay, that's okay.
It's a replay here.
Replay the point. 9-6.
9-7-6. Melissa
Points.
drives that ball over.
Timeout called. 10-6.
10-7-6.
Yeah. Perfect job, yeah.
Timeout called here as Ireland are in the lead, but this game could go anyway here yet. Of course, Fiona originally was meant to pair up with Katrina Casey, so the preparation here wouldn't be ideal. And for a pair that haven't trained, they're doing very well as far, and we wish Katrina all the best in her recovery.
$15 seconds. Yeah, not to have the shot and advantage. Yes, I agree.
If she would have made that shot,
She wouldn't have been looking at it. I agree.
she did it. She
So yeah. So come here, guys. Yeah, Fiona. So see, Fiona, if there's contact again, just raise your hand, because that's what I'm saying. If you had killed the ball, obviously would have been a good point. Yeah, that's no worries. But that's fair enough. Red, no worries. Resuming play. The score is 10-6.
10-7-6 here. Chance here. Oh, guys, it down. What shot. And field goes for again. Mel takes it. Kira covering it. Big rally here. Oh,
Points. Good rally.
Sully just misses it. There's a big rally there, folks.
11 playing 6.
11 playing 6. The Irish pair here are beginning to open up a lead and find their comfort.
Points. Playing 6.
12 plays 6.
Long ball. Second serve.
And it's 10-10 here in Cork 1 for the Women's A title in Ireland against America.
7 serving 12. Points. Chile.
And Ireland take the game in the Women's A title.
8 serving 12.
Great scenes here in Cork 1, and hopefully Ireland can take it here in Cork 2 as well.
Points. 8 serving 13. Points. 9-13.
9-13 as the Americans are coming back into this game.
Outside. Get that ball there. Come on. Okay. 14 serving 9.
14-9 here.
Hold it, replay.
On the call contact.
If you want to put up her hand, replay. 14-9.
14.
Hold it again. Fiona raised her hand, contact.
Go be joined here by the great Ollie Cassidy.
She put up her hand for contact.
He's a man of, he's as pale as a ghost here from watching that.
Replay, 14-9.
We'll find out what he thinks about that result.
Oh, the Lord save us. They love giving the man a heart attack. They were 19-14 up in the second game.
Hold it.
And they said, no, we don't want it. We want to get it the hard way. 11-10, tiebreaker.
By God.
Yeah, no, but she's moving to get a position.
You can't get any closer than that.
But if there's blocking from behind again, I'm going to be calling downs, okay?
Big game here.
14 serving 9.
14-9.
14-9
right.
here, Ollie is.
Right.
Irish pair, as I was saying earlier on, they unfortunately, like, it was originally meant to be Fiona and Katrina, but so Ciara has subbed in, and the prep wouldn't have been great there.
Yeah.
Trying to get used to playing with each other.
But they're playing mighty.
Replay, 14 serving 9.
14-9.
14-9, and
that's a great serve from Fiona. Great serve.
Fiona be gunning for this after the loss earlier on.
Point. 15 serving 9. You moved into her shot, it would have been unavoidable. You're moving into her shot again though, so it's going to be unavoidable.
You want some melted chocolate, Joe?
No, I'm calling that a point.
It looks fair soggy there, Ollie.
It's in my pocket all day.
Oh, Jesus.
No, that's a point. You can only appeal the lines here. The lines will only calls can be
give
appealed.
it a crack.
The only things that can be appealed here are the line calls. You can't appeal like a contact or 2 bounces during the rally. The only things that can be appealed at this tournament are the lines. Well, she didn't put her hand up this time.
No, you gotta be fucking out. So when you put your hand up, that's it, that's the goal?
Yeah, that's the way we play it here.
So she don't have to go hold it, she just puts her hand up, right?
Yeah. That's what happened the 2 previous plays. Right, come on. Play on. 15 serving 9. Points. Timeout called. Score is 16-9 when we resume.
Timeout called here from Team Ireland.
16-9
Or
to Ireland.
16-9. They have a great chance of taking the first game, Joe.
I think this first game is over, Ollie. In my eyes,
I thought the last game was over. 19-14 up, I thought. But The American girls came back and brought them to the tiebreaker.
You got to say, though, the win will be bittersweet now.
Bittersweet.
So we have one more game coming up, Ollie, after this, and that
15
brings
seconds.
it close to the Worlds.
The Worlds. It wasn't it a great Worlds, Joe?
It wasn't. It's been some week. We've seen every shot under the sun and every style of play. You have to say it was a great success.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Right, guys?
And fair play to everyone, every individual involved in contribution to the great success.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it was great. All the volunteers and the great commentators, Joe. Men from Galway.
Okay, resuming
we have
play.
men
The
from
score is
Galway.
16
We have men from
serving
all
9.
over Ireland, all over Europe.
A header, side away, Kira, your serve, side down. The ball hit you.
Void will call there from McCullagh.
No, I was watching. No, I was watching, but the ball hit her anyways. No,
the Americans are appealing everything here, Ollie, in this game.
Yeah.
Every call.
They're trying to break the rhythm, you see, the girls. They don't want the girls winning this.
No one. Like, with the partners hitting the ball, the way the
Melissa Sky, you've been very impressed over the week of her style of play.
Oh, lovely style. Lovely. Lovely.
I think it's been
paddle
clean
kills,
there,
spike kills. Brilliant.
16 serving 10.
They're playing that game just in on that short line.
Replay
called.
But she's going where the ball is going. You blocked her off. 16 serving 10. No, Fiona. 16-10.
Connor not having none of it. He knows how the game is played. The Americans are bringing them down to their level now. They're starting to play their game. The Americans love this tipping and tapping. They love this.
I hate this tippy
and they're dragging the girls down to their game. That's the way they want it.
Tippy tappy.
Yeah.
I can't say what I want to say here, but you know, you can fill in the blanks at home.
That was perfectly fine. That was perfectly fine.
The Americans are rightly.
Last time out. That was 100%.
Time out and
yeah.
There's some giving out being done here.
No, she didn't. She was in front of you already. No, silly. She wasn't. She was already there. She was watching. No, she was watching. She didn't run in front across your path. Sure, if you want. Yeah, no worries. Can we get a new ref on centre court? I got sacked.
So you got the sack. The world. The goat got the sack. The goat got the. Who sacks the goat? Who sacks the goat?
He's gone here with his tail between his legs.
Oh,
I have seen it all now. A player sacking the ref. The Americans are refusing to play.
That's the best of all time. We've all sorts of this.
They don't rate this goat at all.
Who's
the goat, they're saying? Who's the goat?
He's coming back again. He's not finished yet. He's coming back.
Wow.
Is Michael Finnegan in the house?
Mike has gone for the spurs. He's gone for the spurs.
Where's Naz?
Wow. How can they do that? They're
entitled to change the ref if they want to, yeah.
They can't choose the ref, Ollie. They can't choose their best friend Naz. Then Grant.
No, they can't choose the ref, but they're entitled to change the ref. Yeah.
Surely Dan Grant is sitting there and I don't know.
Michael is coming. He's coming.
Michael,
the man from King's Court is coming.
Well, Michael,
he's put smocks in them. He's going to put manners in them. Look at the walk. Look at the walk of confidence.
Michael isn't going to take any of this here.
Look at this now. He's going to put smocks in them here.
They're all the officials out. I have never seen anything like this at any event.
Poor Gaffney's in as well.
How?
Everything is happening in this. We're not finished yet.
No, we're 17. We're 17-10 up. Ireland are 17-10 up here. Do the Americans really?
This is what they want. They want to slow up the game, stop the play, upset the girls. This is what they want.
This is turning into a scene now. Like, it's a disappointing end. Like, for the world, the game should be just played and get on with it. If you hit the right shots, you'll win the game.
Let's see what Park is in.
Me. So, big discussions on here.
We might take a 2-minute break and we'll be back to you shortly.
Back here to Coronation Street.
The drama has unfolded here. It's just like EastEnders here. The drama has kicked off here. The Americans are not happy with our great referee, the great GOAT himself, Conor McGrath. They gave him the sack actually. He had to walk off the court.
And I don't think he'll get paid for that now.
No.
He's sacked on the spot here, folks.
Yeah.
So
are the Americans going to come back onto the court, or what's going to happen?
what's the story?
Have we got a referee? Dan Grant, the great Dan Grant from London is refereeing. He's been called up.
Dan the man.
Dan was just getting a taxi home and they called him back. He was getting a taxi to the airport, but they cancelled him. He's back.
Dan the
He's
man.
back. Dan the man. In fairness, Dan is doing a great job all week, Joe.
I wonder, can Dan sweet talk these?
Dan is sweet talk. Dan is sweet talk.
Well, Duff's charm
Yeah.
didn't seem to...
See, you can't explain yourself. You just say no, yes, and point. You don't. There's none of this explaining yourself.
Duff's charm didn't appeal to
Yeah.
these Americans. Well, I'm telling you, they won't want a time out anyway. They're having a long enough of a break here. Have you ever seen this before?
I never in all my life. A world final. Never in all my life seen this. But there's a lot of things I haven't seen in this world final. I've never seen before in these world championships. It's been amazing. It's been a roller coaster drama.
It's the best episode of Coronation Street I've ever watched.
Dan is laying down the law now. Dan the man is laying down the law. And the great Conor McGrath, I can't believe it. He got the sack. We've got to get him up in the commentary box. We need to get his
insight into this.
Yeah. We need to get him up in this box. So we'll see can we get him. We'll see can we get him.
Conor.
No, he's sitting down now. We'll get him up after.
He has taken his host in. He's putting the bold corner here.
He's in the ball corner, but the girlfriend's going to reassure him now. He's reassuring.
That really knocked the GOAT's confidence here. Put off his own.
Dan is all wired up.
Hopefully we won't have to go a third time lucky here, Ollie.
God only knows. God only knows what's going to happen.
Right. So, after that episode, we are back.
Time in. Okay.
Let's go, Dan.
So, Fiona's serving.
Come on, Aaron.
Fiona.
Just hope now that.
Fiona, is this your first hand or second hand? First or second hand? First hand. Okay. So, first hand, Fiona serving. The score is 17-10.
Back in play here. The pause button has been pressed again to play point to play.
Great shot by Melissa. Great shot. That bit of drama worked for them. They're back. They're crawling the way back into this match.
Next thing now.
It certainly is entertainment in these worlds. It's just amazing. The crowd are still here.
I am actually stuck for words here, Ollie.
And very seldom you're stuck for words, Joe.
17-11.
It's like someone put a mute button on me.
I
don't know what to say for that.
Great block. Great boxing. Americans are trying to box them in.
Big rally here.
Fiona
they're playing the Americans type of game. They want it up here. They love it up here. They play it all day up here above your head.
12-17.
The girls' game is below. That's it. That's it, Kira. Take it on the fly.
Attack.
That's more like it. That's it.
Kira's fired up and Fiona fired up. They're not going to take.
Hand out.
They'll want to take this game and won. They're not.
Stop. Just got to cool the score, man.
Dan stamping the letter.
12-18.
Yeah, Della's putting authority on him. Yeah.
Left side is wide open, but Fiona decides to play safe. Now she goes for it. It's great hands from Melissa.
Great hands from Melissa. Great reflexes.
See.
Yeah, it's a block.
That's a block.
Gonna replay that. Yeah, replay the point.
The crowd are even getting behind the ref here.
Mel serving. It's 12-18. Down. 13-18.
Great box.
Block.
Okay, she just moved the last
Replay.
second. Dan is he's doing a good job.
Yeah. He steadied the ship here.
13-18. Down.
Oh, down ball.
14-18. Long
That's out.
ball.
Long. What do you reckon, Ollie? This tactic of taking the big break has kind of rattled the Irish a bit.
Yeah, the Irish are playing the Americans' game. They want the Americans' game wanted up high, and it's working. See,
Time
and it's a good timeout from Kira because she needs to do something to break the rhythm.
It's 15-18 when you come
15-18. The Americans are back in this match. They're back in this match, Joe.
back. Right.
The Americans are playing their game.
Everything's above the shoulders here. It's
Yeah, everything's above the shoulder.
keeping up. Tippy tappy. Tippy tappy. Well, what can you do? Let's hope now the Irish will stamp their authority again on this game and close it off. We
Yeah.
don't want to see. Last thing you want to see here now is them getting upset over something like that and
Yeah.
taking it into game two. It's over
Okay,
now.
time's
You
coming in.
just have
The
to
score
forget
is
about it.
15-18.
And joined here by the champ herself.
The world champion, Cullen
Cullen
Burke.
Burke.
Well done,
Lucky.
well done, Quill.
Replay the point.
Well done.
15-18.
We're still seeing it. Overhand, overhand, overhands. Now Fiona goes in and attacks.
Yeah. You can't move, Fiona, when you come in.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is
see
an avoidable.
a
That's one of those
replay,
things.
yeah.
Because you started to move across
She
when the ball
calls
was
it
coming back, and
avoidable, so
then you did stop.
that's another score for.
Not for that one. No, not this one. The next one. When it was coming in for Mel's shot, you moved a little bit, and then you stopped. 16-18.
The Americans are back in this game. They're back in this game.
It's long ball. Second serve.
Great.
Just makes the
Yeah.
hole.
That's for a block from behind. That's going to replay that point.
16 plays 18. It's stiff for
No,
Tash.
it's a block from behind.
Out
It's
of-
16-18.
Out of nowhere, the Americans are just chipping away at the Irish lead. Pick. I don't know about you, Ollie, but
I see Laura coming with pizzas.
19-16.
what are we doing wrong? Come on, Fiona. Fiona, I feel, is up in the ante here. She wants to look at that. Oh, yes!
Great picking from Fiona. Great
Yes.
picking. Yeah. Now they're the first game ball.
Game ball.
It was hard, long time to get there.
20-16.
From 18 to 20.
It's been a bumpy road, game one, but The light isn't far away, and there it is.
First game.
That's game 1 to
2 minutes.
Ireland here, Ollie.
2 minutes break, and we need it badly. We'll be back shortly. Okay, we're back live here for the next episode of Dallas, or the Coronation Street.
Game number 2.
Anything can happen.
I
Anything
think
can
the
happen.
score is 0-0.
0-0.
Bang.
Okay, the Irish girls are going back to playing their game, keeping it low. But the Americans are trying to bring them up. Look at that.
Shot.
The Americans are playing, they're letting them back into it. The Americans like the bang bang game. The bang bang. That's all they want to do. Bang bang.
Chishy, chishy, bang, bang.
Yeah.
1-0.
That's better from here. She's attacking Sully's serve.
Down.
It paid dividends here. Now, come on.
1-1.
Big chance for Kira.
Will she switch it?
Contact. Yep. Replay that, please. Thank you. Boo.
We still have a crowd here, Ollie.
Thanks, Matt.
It's amazing to see on day 5 at
1-1.
10:15 at night, and it just shows the enthusiasm for handball in Ireland.
Oh yeah, it's brilliant. Oh.
Down. Second hand.
Oh.
1-2.
We're looking forward to the men's final coming up now. Men's doubles. It's going to be a great game. This is also a great match.
Brilliant game.
Big rallies, great shots, great spikes. It's full of everything.
Yeah, sorry. Stop. Another backswing.
Here.
Replay the point. 1-2.
Chance for Kira. Wow. What a shot.
Great shot.
Kira's
Really intelligent.
up
A
now.
really intelligent shot there. She saw the angle. She went for it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Pushed it out the side. That's a great shot.
Brilliant.
Kira's taking the initiative here. She's the walker intent. See the way
2-2.
she's confident. Well, she's attacking the ball.
She's She's a girl on a mission. Attack it. No, they're just letting that ball back. Ciara goes for it.
Ciara's going for it.
That's it.
Now the Irish are going for it. Ciara's saying to herself, enough of the nonsense. Let's go.
Ciara's bringing the energy here.
Yeah. The teacher's coming out in her now. She's bringing them to school. Now the teacher's putting manners on the students.
The Sally Rod is out.
The Sally Rod is out.
Were you ever met by the Sally Rod?
Oh, I've still tracks from it in the bottom. Great shot. Great shot by Melissa. Unbelievable shot there.
Side out.
So casually flicks it.
3-4.
Ciara has the right idea though. She's attacking.
Point.
She's attacking and everything, yeah.
4-4. Second hand. 5-4.
5-4 here. Pick, what a pick.
Big rally.
Dig it out of there. Just outside from other sheet.
Big rally there. Great rally.
6-4.
Great shot from Sully. What a pick from Ciara. The Irish girls, I have to say, they're doing some mileage. They're clocking up some mileage here, and the Americans are just staying in the one spot. The Americans are holding the lines, and the Irish girls are running marathons here. They're running marathons, Joe.
Second hand. 5-6. 6-5, sorry.
It's like Ireland have to work twice as hard as America to get a point here.
It's working though. That's our game. We like to run.
We're hard workers here now.
Yeah, we're grafters. Great shot by Ciara down the middle. That's a lovely shot. She took it off the air and put it down the middle.
Time out called here from America. So, Ollie, what's your prediction here? Are we going to see a tiebreaker?
God only knows what's going to happen next. It's just an enigma. We've seen it all.
That's a big word, Ollie, enigma.
Yeah, don't ask me what it means. I just throw it out there. Just stuck it out there. A priest said that to me once. He was teaching me at school. He said, Ollie, you're an enigma. I said, Father, if that's good, I'm that. About the only word I learned at school. I never brought the bag home with me, Joe.
Yeah, and you're bringing the school bag here with you, Ollie.
Yeah. Put it to some use.
That's it. That's it.
Right, time in.
So Ciara to serve.
Right, time in. Score is 8-5.
8-5 here. What a pick.
Great pick.
Sky lights.
Blocking.
Oh.
She should have stayed down. She got up.
Replay the point. 8-5.
8 plays 5. Ciara's trying to work Sky's left hand here.
Yeah, she's using the brain, Ciara. Oh, that's a great kill for Sky. That's some kill.
Takes on the half volley.
Watch her coming in.
Side out.
Bang.
They time it perfect. They let it drop so low and they catch it in the middle part of their hand and they push it into the front wall. It's lovely. And it takes nothing out of them, Joe.
Just caressing the ball.
Yeah, we're pulling the shoulders off ourselves trying to hit the ball. They're just tapping.
You can really see it here. Nearly every Irish player I've seen playing on the last has some sort of a bandage or tape on.
6-9.
The Americans here, it's like day one again for them. They don't seem to get tired at all.
No. That's a great shot by Ciara.
Fiona attacks it. Well dug out by Sully.
Sully taking stock inside. Was unlucky. Unlucky.
7-9. Outside.
Fiona Winford. Unlucky.
Now
The Irish are playing 1 in, 1 out. Ciara's taking the back now and Fiona's gone inside.
But that's Fiona's game inside.
Yeah, but the
8,
two of them should
9.
be inside, pushing the Americans out.
Yeah,
The American wants that. They
kinda. The Americans nearly form a wall on that short line.
Yeah.
They that's
chance for
better
Fiona.
now.
Oh.
Ball, please.
3-handers now. That's unlike Fiona. That's maybe
Time out.
size of
Trying too hard. They're
9-9.
having a time out now. They're working very hard, the Irish girls. They're working hard.
Together at 9 here.
The girlfriend sent me a picture, a text there with Enigma written. She looked it up for you, Joe. Thanks, Anne Marie.
What does it say?
We'll see now what it means. Enigma. I think
every day is a school day.
every day is a school day. The great Anne Marie Gallagher.
Can I get a hoya?
What are the kids?
She's walking up the crowd here.
She's got the crowd going. She's getting a high five from Taiwan. All right.
Let's go.
There's also great excitement here.
There was something needed to waking us all up.
So it means Enigma, Anne Marie, a person's thing is mysterious or difficult to understand.
Well, that's you, Ali. That's you, Ali.
He called me the right name, he did.
Thanks very much.
A big shout out to Anne Marie. She's a patient woman. She's texting me and ringing me.
Time's back in.
And I'm get back to her late. And she's a great
score
girl.
is
Let me play handball all the time,
9-9.
Joe.
That's what you want.
She's a mighty woman.
Says Ali, Joe will have to find the same himself.
Well, she's sisters. I think they're taken, though. I think they're taken, Joe.
Well, Jesus Christ, you've heard it all here.
Blocking.
Carnation Street,
Replay.
first dates, it's all happening here.
9-9.
Love Island, huh? Okay, let's get back to business here. Back to business. Okay, 9-9. And the people from the Basque Country are down here and they're dying laughing. They're loving this commentary, Joe.
Side up.
They're really enjoying the commentary, they said.
10-9.
The fight to get these back seats so they can hear us what we're saying. Okay, back to business
Back
here.
to
Great
business,
shot
yeah.
from. That's more like it. That's
a
more
lovely
like it.
shot from Fiona.
Ciara set her up. She put the pressure on Mel, and then Mel gave her the setup, and Fiona went for it. That's what they got to
11-9.
do.
Just a nice, simple overhand toss there from Fiona. They're not trying to force the Americans into an error. We have 4 technically good players
Outside.
here on the court, Ali.
Oh yeah, they're really using the brain. They're really working overtime.
They're on the late night shift.
11-10.
Ciara
Outside.
goes,
Just
and
overhit
that's
that, Ciara.
Side up.
Just overhead that.
Together, it's 11.
Yeah,
here.
this is a
Together
tiebreaker written all
11.
over it. We don't want to mention a tiebreaker, but it says tiebreaker written on it.
Nobody's pulling out any really convincing lead here yet. It's just both teams are very evenly matched. What a shot. Pulls it down the line.
Yeah. I think they're going to need to go back to the original plan. The two of them go in, 2 of them go out.
12-11.
This front and back is not working.
So you mean, Ollie, that the 2 Irish girls push in on that short line?
Oh,
as
push
we
in and
call it.
take stock there. Put up the set stall there and push the Americans out. That's what the ball game was won and
So-
lost in the middle. This front and back business won't work. It'll work in the small court and the big court, but it won't work. The 2 of them need to be in there.
You have no corner here to fire the ball back to
Tap.
you.
Yeah, you have no corner, you have no side wall. The 2 of them's got to get in and push the Americans back
13-12.
out. The Americans love to see it back. They love to see Ciara hanging back there. They'll do this all night.
Game of caution. There from Fiona. She went to cut the ball off and immediately pushed Sully under pressure there.
13-all. Fourteen, 13.
Big shot there from Fiona. Watch a shot from Fiona. Pulls the ball across the court. Fiona's taking the initiative here now.
15-13.
15 plays 13. Which goes for a low, powerful serve.
Second serve.
That's a big word too, Joe. Initiative.
Don't ask me what it means. I think it means taking control, but
Right.
Outside.
It's a big word like marmalade.
marmalade.
I wouldn't know how to spell it.
I was just going to say it. Spell it.
15-14.
Marmalade on toast be nice now.
Oh, dip it in the tea.
Anyways.
Oh, back. That's hard luck. Hard luck. The Irish girls are working hard. They're trying really hard.
It's
together at 15.
Tit for tat here.
It's a hard fought battle here. It's a great match, this second game.
Who's got the dog in them, Ollie?
Who's got the dog in them is right.
Ciara's
got the dog in her. There's plenty of dog in her.
Second half. 15-16. Side out.
Another mark.
17-15.
Big shout out to John Joe Cork. He was driving home and he was listening to the commentary and he missed the turn off for Glen Bay and he had to drive another 30 miles home with an electric van. Hope the battery lasts for you, John Joe. He was listening to the commentary and he has to go 30 miles back now. Good man, John Joe. We hope you get home without the battery running down.
Keep her lit, John Joe.
Keep her lit. We'll be down for you, John Joe. Don't worry.
The Irish girls are keeping it lit here.
18-15.
Chance of,
that was unlucky. That was unlucky. Just a small bit of miscommunication there.
Second half.
Sometimes you're better
18-16.
to pull the trigger.
Oh, that's a great shot. You go down on one knee and bang. Great shot. Great shot.
Side out. 17-18.
17-18.
Block. Sorry, guys. I called
block
a block
call there by Dan.
Stop.
Dan stopping the play. Block call.
Replay the point.
17-18. This game has followed this rhythm all game.
All day long. Tit for tat is tit for tat. It's just too late at night for the tit for tat. They should be going for it. Go for it.
19 plays 17 is. Ollie's patience is running thin here.
Yeah, it was a long day. It's a long week.
He's leaping and jumping and.
Second hand.
I'm playing myself. It's like I'm playing myself. Like.
The sweat is coming out, but.
That's a bad miss.
And now we're at game ball.
We're at game ball, but we're at game ball the last time. It was a long time coming.
Now, let's go, Fiona, for the world title.
Championship point 2017.
Here we go, for all the marbles.
Big serve.
Big rally. It's 2018. The Americans are so cool. Look at this. There's no emotion. They're so cool and calm and collected.
Let's go, Ciara.
Ciara's hungry now. There's a dog. The dog is in Ciara now. The tail is up.
And the
Ireland have done it. The Irish team of Ciara McMahon and Fiona Tully, and they hug each other with emotion.
It is brilliant.
And the Americans shake hands to the referee. It was a great match, great match, and they're thrilled. What a game! What a game! It's a great game, Joe. We're going to be directly back. Are we going to wait for the presentation here? Or what's the story? Or we'll wait around and we'll get Paul Fitzpatrick for the presentation. And the great president is coming in. He's coming in. He's looking well, the president, Connor, isn't he?
He's suited and
I was taking a photograph with my middle beside him. He said, "Don't touch the suit. Don't touch the suit." He was proud of himself. Don't touch the suit. Look at him. He looks well.
He's looking mighty.
Great job.
Some great scenes here.
Emotional scenes here. Very good. Very good.
Tully gets her title.
Very good title. Very good title. Very good title. Great stuff. Great stuff. Wow. We're going to have a quick break here and we'll be back shortly with the presentation.
Gentlemen, we just do a presentation there, please. Quiet, please. What a great match there between four of the best players there in the tournament and between Ireland, America. Thanks very much, John, for reffing, Lions people. And I know as the hour is getting late and bodies and minds are tired, I just want to thank everyone for staying here and watching the game and supporting the players. And once again, big round of applause to all four players. So I'm just going to call upon the American runners-up, Sally Ruse and Melissa Skye. Sally Ruse. And now, ladies and gentlemen, just want to bring on stage the winners, Fiona Tully and Ciara Mahan. Well done, ladies.
Round of applause for our finalists.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're just having the final match of the championship, the men's open doubles, and we just welcome the players on stage, please, on cut to the courts.
Amazing. And we have our final event.
He was
from
refereeing
America,
matches after
the
matches.
in the world at the front, Taiwan Cook and Nasty Naz Marston. And at the back, Timbo Gonzalez and Alan Sanchez.
Yeah, big credit to Timbo.
So here we go, it's the first game.
Timbo and
Naz to
Alan
serve.
and Taiwan and Naz.
The score is 0-0.
As Ollie said, fair play to Dan Grant for taking on this very late game in the
1-0.
The Taiwan and Naz doing a little dance, a back-to-back dance thing there. We ain't got time for this, Ollie.
Really, they're doing the breakdance stuff.
I don't know. They're
2-0.
Anyway, we go back to this. I know Timbo's going to be well up for this now after that loss earlier on, but that is a big kill from Taiwan Cook.
3-0.
Taiwan, these are two very experienced doubles teams. They've been waiting all day to make it happen.
Look
That's
at that.
A big shot.
This is going to be a great game.
Alan Sanchez, one of the best doubles players in the game.
He's amazing. He's supposed to be the best right-handed player in the game. On the right side.
4-0.
Apart from yourself, Ollie.
Correct. Thanks, Chris. We had a good game today. Oh.
Side out.
Okay.
1-4.
Alan Sanchez, the serve, drives it deep. Taiwan Cook puts it up in front of Timbo. He doesn't go to kill.
Oh, that's a great shot from Timbo. Oh,
that's
man.
a great
That's
pick.
great. This is a big rally. Look at this.
This is sick. That's a big pick.
Oh, that's serious rally. That's serious
stuff.
That's the best. That's the best we've seen.
Saving the best for last.
Oh, unbelievable.
It's almost 11 o'clock at night
1-5.
here, and most of the crowd are gone. But the ones that are staying here, they are watching something
Where would
special.
you want to be? Where would you want to be? Look at this. Through the legs, everything. You can see everything here.
This is sick.
Look at the
stuff.
reflexes in these guys.
Like, they don't care. It's 11
Look
o'clock.
at this. This is the game at
that's
its best.
a very fair call from Naz. He dives in, but he doesn't get it on the first hop. So
2-5.
these are four absolute creme de la creme athletes.
You're seeing the cream here, Chris.
Yeah,
this is
big
the
time.
cream of the
Two
crop.
serious
Side out.
doubles teams.
6-2.
Telepathically knowing exactly where each other are. They play lots of doubles in New York, and they're putting on a show at the moment.
Outside. Six-3.
There's a lot to learn from these two teams, isn't there, Ollie?
Oh, it's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. If you want to know something about the game, these are the guys to watch.
Right. Every shot could be a winner.
Yeah.
Look, they just pad it up. They
Replay.
just float it up just to make sure that you're not getting an easy kill attempt as well.
Right.
6-3.
Timbo digs it out. Left hand, what a great shot. Oh, that's a mistake from Timbo.
Tim will be up for this now because he lost the singles. He'll be right up on this.
7-3.
Like two supreme technicians in front with great hands. Oh, it's a
Great cross court
Side out.
shot from
4-7.
and puts it out on top of Taiwan.
Jason's doing his thing in the back row. He's doing his thing.
Yeah, he sure is. Oh, that's
Yep,
a
we
block.
He moved. That's great play. That's
Serious
great
play.
stuff.
Like, the thing is, he moved. Timbo still gets it up.
Yeah.
Like, he
Like, these guys are
Great
playing on
points.
instinct. It's
4-7.
just instinct. They're
they
not
just
thinking.
know the game
Yeah.
so well.
Yeah.
They don't have to see the ball to know where it's going.
It hit you anyway. You lead. Replay.
It's a replay. Timbo can get frustrated, as he showed earlier on.
4-7.
He's there.
Yep. Replay. 4-7.
Taiwan and Naz. The first. That's outside.
Good ball.
And the world champion, ladies, is doing the line.
Yeah.
Very good.
Martina absolutely delighted with herself. Wins in the women's division across the board, pretty much. Big congratulations to Quillen Burke and Felicia Needule on their ladies A doubles win.
Great win. They left it down to the wire, of course.
Fiona Tully.
5-8.
Fiona Tully and Kieran Mahan with a great win in the open doubles. And Martina with the open singles. As you said, fair play to Dan Grant. He stepped up to referee this game.
Yeah, and he stepped up for the last one.
Yeah, like, again, that argument would have gone on only even longer if...
Hit Tim on the way in, I think so.
Yeah, he's already there, Alan. He's already there.
I don't...
Side out.
Okay, he's not getting it.
Alan Sanchez looking for something that wasn't there. Like
9-6.
Naz with an overhand. That's a good shot by Taiwan. Okay.
10-6.
So Taiwan and Naz with the 10-6 lead at the moment.
Yep.
Timbo and
Replay the point. 10-6.
Alan have switched sides, trying to get a little bit of momentum in their game.
Second set.
So, as the great Ali Cassidy tries to stretch out with a few kinks. After a tough tiebreaker loss in the Masters final earlier on, Ali.
Yeah, one tiebreaker too many.
Oh, stop. How many tiebreakers is that this week? 3? 4?
Yeah.
4 is it?
4 tiebreakers, yeah.
Oh, God.
It's a killer.
That's a great shot by John. He's got such quick hands. That's a replay.
You played the shot, Ty, so it's Alan and Timbo's.
That's good. That's good refereeing by Dan.
Yeah. And see what...
Side away.
See what what's Timbo's partner's name?
Alan Sanchez.
Alan Sanchez. He took control. He put Timbo back over on the right. He did this yesterday too.
Yeah.
And they just dominated the game when Sanchez went back on the left.
Again, telepathic from Alan Sanchez. Knows that Timbo wants to leave it to him, and he goes.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Good power from Taiwan down the line. He said, goes outside and power down the line, and that's it. That's all she wrote. Alan actually said to Timbo, that is not good enough. He's in not so many words.
Wrong score. Yeah. 8-11.
Waiting to call the score here. So it floats it off. So go into this battle again. Replay.
Unbelievable shots here, Chris. Unbelievable.
When you see, like, and this is no disrespect to the women's game that was on before, but when you see the men's game like this, it's so fast and furious, and they've got such hand speed
and power.
Everything's with power. There's no touches, no flighted shots in or anything like that. Everything is with power, because if you don't, like, these players are so quick. And no backswing.
No backswing, yeah, no big Irish whip.
All just from the elbow, from the wrist, just generating a massive snap.
Time out.
Yeah.
Timbo not happy with how this is going so far, but he said, no, like, all from the from the elbow, all from the wrist, big snap on the ball, and like, they want to handcuff you, but these guys, they're just so quick. They move their bodies really, really intelligent. They get their hand on everything. They cut in the ball with a little bit of spin that makes things a bit awkward, and like,
they have it all.
How do you live with it, like?
Yeah, they have it all. They're great to watch.
Might be easier to live with it at 3 o'clock in the day instead of 11 o'clock at night. But like, the truth is, these are four of the best doubles players in the world, and they're putting on the show. I said, hopefully we see an actual All-Ireland Championship in the doubles coming up next year in the Nationals and the All-Ireland Championship
Oh,
series.
definitely. It's a great game, Chris.
It's
You're
so
right.
good.
You always said that.
I've been saying for years, and like this is something that if Mayo Transport have to put emotion in to make this happen, it's so important. I know we have a stacked calendar anyway, but we don't have any teams that can compete with these guys. Let's be honest. Ollie. I said we.
Sorry, I'm just watching the play. Timbo's taking control here again. Sorry, cause we have no competition.
No teams. No, what team can we put together that could compete with these guys?
Like, look at these four guys. 11, every day they probably meet each other and play. Like,
well, they might meet each other. They've got people to meet and play.
Other people like them. But I just felt sorry for Connor. Connor hasn't got the competition these guys have.
No,
you know, because we don't play all. It's not our first game. Like, you know,
We've got a couple of players that are up-and-coming players. Carl Jordan, Fiacre O'Doul.
Yes.
Cian Dunning.
Yeah.
You know, like these are coming forth. Jack Doyle, unbelievable championship this year. These lads are coming forth. Mikey Kelly, Cormac Finn.
Yeah.
All these players are coming. But like, Connor has dominated this championship for the last number of years. And would it surprise anyone if he dominated the next 5 years of one-ball handball in Ireland? No.
Yeah.
He's that good. Yeah. And he's that far ahead. But he needs to be.
He needs that competition. And
we might be able to develop Connor and all these other lads with more games, more competition, more
13,
making things harder. So hopefully as a sport we can piece that together and make it happen.
Look at this. This is unbelievable. See the picks Naz is doing. Diving, getting up, diving, getting up.
But they're so quick to dive, so quick to get up. That's the key. I'd just say a massive congratulations to Rory Grace and Sean Coughlin. They had a huge win in the men's A doubles against Cesar L and Johnston Gonzalez of New York. It was unbelievable.
Great pick.
Skipped,
yeah, fair enough.
Cool, change the ball. Alan, is the floor wet there?
They need to dry their hands. Timbo's going to dry in his hands.
Check your gloves.
Yeah.
Okay, how are your hands? You alright? Gloves are okay? Gloves are right?
Yeah.
Alan, your hands alright? Alan, hands dry? Are your hands dry? No. Are your hands dry?
I don't have that curse.
Okay.
Dad asked him, are your hands dry? I don't have that curse.
Thanks for the call, guys. You play the point.
Some people have awful sweaty hands. My brother Peter, you can't shake his hand. He'd drench you. Sorry, Pete.
You talk about me burning you.
Sorry, Pete, he's listening now. He's going to kill me.
Yeah, this is the one match he will be listening to. You absolutely burnt him. That's made my day. Oh God, come on lads, let's go. Come on lads, let's go.
We've East Cinders about to start again here.
Yeah. We're going to be watching Ireland AM at this stage, lads. It's 11 o'clock at night.
It's probably 6 o'clock in the evening there in New York. What time is it in New York?
Yeah.
They don't care.
They don't care the time.
They're in the right time.
They're not. And I thought they'd be rushing to the pub, gasping for a pint at this stage, but no, they're happy enough to play. Pace of the game has dropped significantly, I'll tell you that much. But in a second, it could all go again.
Outside. Nope, not this time. 13, 14.
Dan is so cool. No, not this time, sorry.
Yeah, at the end of the day, if you shouldn't have to explain yourself. Maybe Connor didn't need to explain himself so much. That's a great play. Oh, that's good.
You can't feel that one.
So quick to move.
Yeah,
so quick to get under.
It's like, and Alan. It's almost score is 14 all.
He's almost like an octopus at times, isn't he?
Yeah,
just like
unbelievable.
Get in there as quick as possible. Taiwan and Naz, like a carbon copy of each other, the way that they move.
Yeah. They're like twins.
Yeah.
Side out.
Telepathic
15,
as well.
14.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, he moved. It's a replay.
And again, 15, 14.
Okay. As we get going again here, we're at 15, 14. And Tyrone Cook pushing Timbo back, targeting his left hand. That's a movement on the ball, surely. It's played on. Taiwan digs it out. Great hands by Allen. That's brilliant handball. Oh, who's going to do that?
Great rally. Before we forget, Chris, I'm just going to just to say a big thank you to the production crew here who looked after us all week. On cameras,
some team.
On cameras was the great Luke, Damien and Liam, and the directors Nevin, Darren and Kieran. They really showed us how it's done here. Really professional. Thanks so much, lads.
They've been absolutely unbelievable all the way through. And do you know what? Like, they've been great crack. To be honest, we've had a great old time with them.
They've had great patience with us too.
They have, in fairness. And I've got to say big thank you to all our co-commentators throughout the week. I know Quillen and Joe, Alicia, Alana, Vlad, Fiona, Taiwan, Naz, Timbo, like Willie, Paul Williams. They have all contributed massively to this week, massively to the streams, not just the way they play, and you know, they've been just giving us great insight and sharing their knowledge with us. And
you guys,
as we get to 16 all here,
I didn't see
at
it.
the end of the first game.
Can I ask this ref? This is the ref who would see it. Okay. Did you see it skip?
Yes, Lord, did you see the skip? And Lord just smiled. I didn't see it.
Lord didn't see it.
Lord's a gas man. He can't play. Lord's after eating a big box of pizza there.
He did. I got a couple of slices off.
I seen that. It's nice.
It looked good now.
Nice.
The Basque and the Mayo lads.
We've kind of
we're kindred spirits.
Oh, we've kind of the same kind of jerseys too. It's kind of like you know.
They love a red and green jersey
16,
themselves.
16.
So, Viva la Basque. And if they keep feeding me with pizza, they are all right in my book. Okay, as we get to 16 all here. Oh,
big
it's a big shot.
Big shot. That's
what
a great
time
shot.
to pull that out. Alan
shots.
Sanchez. Gotta say,
he's
what
great
a
to
shot.
watch. He's great to watch. He saw this chance and he went for it.
Watch out, guys.
How could that? Where did that ball come from?
That's right. Where did that ball come from?
Like, how can anyone be playing handball here except these four lads? It's crazy. Okay. Oh, wow, it's just outside.
Side out.
As the scores come together again, we're at 17-17.
17-17.
Oh, and that's
that's an uncharacteristic miss by Kimbo. Very uncharacteristic.
It's a loose, and you can
18,
see the two.
17.
Alan saying to him, "Wake up, get stuck in here. This is life or death stuff."
Change the ball. Here you go, Naz.
He got a stinger there in the back of the
Replay. 18,
back
17.
of the neck.
Gotta say, Naz is so impressive. His flexibility, his ability to
Replay.
like. It looks so unorthodox. It looks almost uncomfortable the way he actually strikes the ball. But he does it so often and so well. That's a great shot.
Yeah, he's
natural.
He's so natural. He's so stiff though. He takes it from down here. Really stiff kind of player.
18,
He's stiff, but like he's flexible with his legs and his
unbelievable,
knees.
yeah.
You know.
Yeah. See that from. Oh.
Down.
That's a
Side
mistake
out.
now.
19-18.
But yeah, massive thanks to Mac AV for helping us get this going. They've been going 12, 14 hours a day all week. So, gotta say, the lads are putting more than their shift. And but we couldn't do this without sponsors. And we have the best in the game. We've got O'Neills.com. And this is all brought to you by TG Car Sport. So, massive thanks to all them. So, hand air into the ground from Taiwan. And just like that, we're serving up
2018, the first game.
And Chancellor's actually changed his serve up to the last second and scooped under that ball.
Yeah, it's clever.
That's a great shot.
That's the first
That
game.
is the first game.
Great first game, Chris. Great shots.
Really good.
Great picks, great dives. Serious first game.
Serious first game, and we're going to take a quick 2-minute break and we'll be back with the rest of this match. Okay, and we are back live. It's first game to Timber Gonzalez and Al Sanchez. They are a phenomenal doubles pairing. They're so well coordinated. Al Sanchez really took control of that at the end of that last game, Ollie.
Oh.
Here we go.
It was
Game
amazing.
number 2.
Nip and tuck all the way, and then
0-0.
next thing, Al Sanchez just throws his foot on the gas.
Yeah, he's unbelievable. He's a great doubles
That's a
player.
great shot. That's so intelligent. Like Timbo's there in the block space, and
1-0.
Naz, you could just had that feeling that he was trying to go and get round him. Next thing,
Look at that.
so
It's great.
one thing to look out for is that when Alan's shooting a shot or whatever,
2-0.
Timbo has to stay still. He can't move until
That's right.
that shot is completely finished. And in some of the other grades, we saw some absolutely crazy movement.
Crazy stuff, yeah. In the women's doubles, that's what the big argument was as well. You can't move. And in our game, we can move.
But the argument that they had was over a movement that Ciara hadn't made. Ciara had made that movement earlier on in the match, but the time that they started really arguing, she hadn't done it. So that's why it looked like it's a great shot.
If Timbo gets half a chance.
The ball is in wet. You did cool hold. And they it is a little bit wet, guys. Let me just check your hands.
Try. I haven't got that in. I haven't got that. Try. He said.
Yeah, like various Naz and Taiwan kitted out in kill shots. Two lads with no.
Timbo and Taiwan are having a few words here. Big words here now. Hopefully it doesn't kick off. No, Timbo's smiling. That's okay.
Right, there we go. Come on.
Timbo said, "You want to go again?" He said. The drama's coming out. East Interest is coming on again.
Again, this is in fairness, they've been very well behaved.
Yeah, like very well behaved.
Like this is the normal for them. Like trash talking, saying crazy stuff. That's what they want.
Just like the basketball,
You know, it's like these are supreme confident athletes. Like the fact that they haven't been trash talking each other is actually a surprise, to be honest, especially in the doubles. That ball came out slow from the wall and Naz went to drive it. That's a good pick. That's a great shot.
Great shot by
Alan.
Alan
just
is serious.
So good. Like
he's a great doubles player. He's the best of the four.
So yeah, he's been dominating this game. Like. But remember, Alan didn't enter the singles.
Oh, did he not?
He didn't enter the singles, and himself and Timbo won the small ball doubles. Such good hands from Timbo.
Amazing! How does he get around him? Look at that! He's inside now.
It's outside. It's so good.
He's unbelievable reflexes. Unbelievable. I don't know how he sees that ball.
Alan Sanchez looks down the camera lens to us. Naz and Taiwan switch things up a little bit.
Look at these tactics. This is unbelievable.
It's a great shot.
We're seeing it all here, Chris. They're mixing it, chopping it.
1-4.
They just it's so fast. It's so furious. It's sometimes hard to know what to say. You can't say anything that'll keep up with it, to be honest, Ollie. So you're just taking it in.
We got a text from the great Jeremiah Welch. He mentioned you. He thanked you for all the commentary. He said, thanks to Ollie and Chris for an entertaining week of handball from the Craobhchomórtas Handball Club. The great Jeremiah Welch.
Jeremiah is an absolute legend in the game.
Yeah. Great man.
Great man for Craobhchomórtas. So this is some absolutely rip-roaring handball. That's a great pick by Alan. Timbo goes outside. Oh, hand there from Alan
He's annoyed
Sanchez.
with himself there at that.
Timbo said to him, I gave you that. I made that for you.
Timbo rubbed it into him too.
They're brutal with each other, but they're a great team. That's a great pick. In fairness, there'll be a few lads in Craobhchomórtas that'll be looking at this and thinking this is made for them. And then the ball goes through their legs and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
The experts in legal hinders.
And a few boys were down in Craobhchomórtas, but the great Philip Feary called down.
That's unbelievable.
Michael Munley.
That's true.
The cove himself from Swinford called down.
Oh, what a rally. Naz keeping the power down on them.
Score is 3-4. We're taking a timeout.
No timeout, floor wipe. He's wiping the floor.
Timeout.
Oh, he's taking time, is he?
Let's dry the floor.
Dry the floor, okay.
Thanks, Jason.
Jason's the man all week drying the floor. Big shout out to Jay.
Yeah.
Jay's he reminds me of a buddy of yours, Chris. The great Sean Nolan. They've a lot in common. The great Sean Nolan.
Yeah, they're similar.
Right, aren't they? No, big shout out to Sean. Seriously, shout out. I hope you got Sean gave me the shoes off his feet.
He literally did.
He did. Yeah.
Now, you didn't burst through them like you did. You didn't like your own, but
no, thank
maybe
God.
that's what you needed, because you won when you burst through them.
That's right. Yeah, maybe I need the old clocks back.
So maybe you need to stitch them up. Naz having a little chill out, sit down for himself. Now, in these moments here, Ollie, say if we were playing doubles, what would you be saying to me?
I would be saying to you like I was saying to Desi. We got these guys. Come on, let's rock and roll. We got these guys. Yeah.
You'd lie to me that badly, would you?
Yeah.
Okay, the action goes.
You fake it till you make it, don't you, Chris?
This is it.
Not there.
Timbo switched back to the left.
Timbo's giving out. He's doing his thing.
He does.
He's
always done.
Yeah, it helps him. I think
it helps him. Yeah, if it helps him. He needs a little bit of temper, like.
Yeah, it helps. It reminds me of you, but like it helps
sometimes,
you. Yeah.
Sometimes. We've
4-4.
You're going to kill me. You're going to push me down over the balcony, Chris.
I'm, to be honest, I didn't lose my temper last night, and I could have.
Yeah, really.
That's a great shot.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Lur's asking. He's asking Lur.
That's a rollout.
Yeah.
Good ball. We've already said it's 3-1. Good ball. 5-4.
So Timbo, Taiwan and Naz looking to reset here. Timbo and Alan
5-5.
5-all with the game up. Taiwan and Naz switch sides as well as Timbo and Alan. Just
wow.
2 bounces.
2 bounces. Timbo thought it was
Alan
good.
puts up his hand. Yeah, fair enough.
6-5.
Okay. We go to 6-5. It's a big shot. Now is taking a little bit of control of this match. They
7-5.
switch regular and often, don't they?
Don't they? Yeah.
Something that, again, maybe it's the schooling from 40x20 and 60x30. Unless you're in dire need.
We play that.
We don't change.
We don't change enough. No.
Yeah.
And we should, you know.
We play.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it should
7-5.
be more natural, like, you know.
Great shot from Timbo.
He fell awkwardly there as well.
And this is interesting now. Timbo put on gloves. He must be
Timeout.
wetting the ball.
Maybe.
It's the first time I've seen Timbo wearing gloves.
Yeah, since the small ball.
Maybe Dan asked him to put them on.
Maybe. I didn't hear him ask.
Yeah,
so
Jason,
No,
I didn't
no.
compare, so it wouldn't make
I'd
sense.
be afraid to ask him.
I would.
Yeah.
The referee's going to ask you to wear gloves. You wear gloves.
But Timbo go, oh,
The referee's in charge. Oh, yeah, let him say it.
He's a sweep.
You know? We've got a very patient team here. Big thank you to the University of Limerick for everything over the course of the last week. The arena has been absolutely amazing here. I know that they've had to go above and beyond because I know this is much later than we anticipated on the calendar, but look, there's been a lot of tiebreakers today, Ollie.
Oh, a lot of tiebreakers. A lot of tiebreakers. But look, we enjoyed every minute of them. It was brilliant.
Unbelievable.
Score is 7-6.
It's a big shot. Oh, Naz
wow.
gets around. Again.
That's some shot from Naz. Look at this. Watch this.
Look at the movement.
Unbelievable.
He actually, that step around Timbo is unbelievable. That's a great shot.
Yep, replay.
Replay.
Let me check the ball, please, Ty. Yeah, replace. Thanks.
Conor McGrath is in his going out gear.
Okay, he's back and he's okay.
He survived the referee.
The ladies ran him. The American ladies, they got rid of him.
It happens.
He's such a nice guy, Connor. He's too nice. He was explaining himself. He was trying to reassure the ladies, but
again, luckily in Ireland, we don't see as much.
Look at these angles.
Unreal, that's a big shot.
Unbelievable.
What a big shot there. What a pick from Alan Sanchez. Just his anticipation is absolutely out of this world.
Unreal.
7-8.
Oh,
wow. Just got the pinky on it.
You take those.
8-8.
Sorry, together at 8. Oh, it's outside.
Eight, 9. Long ball. Second set.
Oh, what a pick from Alan.
Oh, wow. Alan Sanchez put on a show. That's an outrageous pick with the backhand. Timbo did try to cover him off the middle, but
10-8.
too much space to cover. A big shot by Taiwan.
Oh,
what a
such
shot.
a loosener.
I don't think he moved. Let's have a look here. He did. He moved. He actually moved a lot.
Timbo, yeah, wow. Timbo was right.
Taiwan moved quite a lot there.
Not the block. It didn't bounce twice. It's a replay. 10-8.
Yeah, he moved his knee in. Alan Sanchez returns again.
Backswing.
There's plenty chatter between them anyway.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
They're not saying nice things either. Oh, what a shot.
A lot of the guys from Craobhchomórtas texting in, enjoying your commentary, Chris.
That's good.
Darren Welch, the great David T's son, is enjoying it from Craobhchomórtas. He's up late. Darren, you should be going to bed. You've work tomorrow.
Sunday tomorrow.
Oh, that's right. I don't even know what day it is. I'm here so long at this seat.
Unless he's joined the priesthood, we're not too worried about it.
I like that one. Darren, are you going for the priest? You could be working.
11-9.
He might be going for the priesthood. No one's ruled out yet. Oh, that's great play. Look at the doubles. They switch over.
And Alan just closed the fist the last second. He closed the fist. Put it into the floor.
Taiwan and Naz
12-9.
picking up a couple of handy points there.
This is great control. This is unbelievable control.
No one wants to make any error.
Look at the slices and chops and everything.
You see, not one of them takes a backward step.
No.
Right. This should be a training game. Oh, you can't.
No hold. It's no hold. It's 12-10, it's the timeout.
What was the problem there, Chris? Naz wanted a replay because he said Alan Sanchez moved, but to be honest, everything's moving so fast at the moment.
It's so hard to see it,
Everyone's so
isn't it?
delirious.
Yeah.
Like,
so hard.
no one knows what's going on anymore. But these lads are going to argue every point for them. Mark Keenan is just after texting in as well. Got to say big thank you to Mark and all the crew in Tourmacady for all the help over the last couple of weeks.
And thanks for letting us use the court.
Ah,
and
it's
the great
outrageous.
John Bosco, he looked after us.
John Bosco's here.
He looked after us and his 2 dogs.
Here, stick them on for a second.
The great John Bosco. John, fair play to you. Worked like a Trojan all week. How did you find it?
It was tough now, Ali.
Are you enjoying it?
This game is incredible, but I think I'm all handballed out at this stage.
I have an awful funny feeling it could go to a tiebreaker.
I have a bad feeling as well. It's incredible the way they play the game, though.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Just completely different to us.
Yeah. Even though I was watching your game. This guy hits the ball overhand like these guys. You can spike them.
Yeah, I hit him into the ground, though, Ali. That's the
no,
problem.
I seen you. You have some loosener of a serve.
The only spike he knows is the dog.
Great shot from Taiwan there, and Alan is annoyed. Serious
11,
shot.
13.
Will we do this again next week, Bosco?
Yeah, it was a breeze.
11-13.
20-hour days, so it's just handy enough.
Very good.
No more than yourselves at times.
Oh, it's long days, long days. It was worth it though. It's a great week. Great week.
Yeah, I was telling Chris earlier we'd a crew down yesterday from the Scarlet for the 11 under fun doubles, and just the happiness that they had going home and
brilliant.
The experience they got was great, and
14-11.
probably made it just about worth it, I suppose.
Brilliant, and to see the top boys playing, the singles, brilliant.
Second serve.
Brilliant. That's what it's all about. The kids have to watch these guys because this is the future.
It is.
Yeah.
Yep.
So what's next for you, John?
What's next for you is hardball in.
Oh, that's right, the hardball. Yeah.
In.
I know what's next for Chris. We won't mention what's next for Chris.
Yeah, we.
That sounded more sinister than you
We've, I think I've taken a break for a week, and then I think 2 weekends time we have the hardball doubles first, and then the hardball singles following me.
Brilliant. So that's the original game, isn't it?
Yeah, you were too soft to enter, I heard.
Oh, the handies were too soft. Too soft for the hardball. Do you want to tell the people at home what the hardball is, John?
So I suppose the hardball is the original game that handball came from in Ireland, using the outdoor big alleys. It was a bit of cork kind of wrapped in leather. I think the last few years they have been having trouble even finding people to make them, but I think last year they managed to get a batch together. Oh, great shot. And yeah, bit of a different format last year. There was round robin on one day, followed by the finals the next day.
Tough going,
yeah, but I think most people kind of enjoyed it. So same format again this year, so we'll see where it goes.
Great stuff. And what are you playing? Have you doubles or singles, John?
I'm playing both, yeah. I'm playing junior and both.
Brilliant.
So we'll see how it goes. Myself and Tyke, hopefully, yeah.
Gee, that's a great combination. It'd be nice to get them.
We lost the All-Ireland final last year to the two Murphys, last year.
That'd be great to get your name on that famous junior cup. That's an old cup.
Indeed,
and a lot of legends on
Definitely,
there.
So
I refereed that game.
Did you?
Oh, you did, yes. Yeah. They were good in the game. We were definitely second best at that time, but we'll see how this year goes.
Now the drama's kicking on. We got EastEnders on here again. Here we go.
It's 14-15. It was
Look
14 up
at
before.
the puss is on.
It's definitely.
Now come on, snap
It's
out.
14 up just now.
Come on, Naz.
And now it's 14-15.
It is definitely a feature of
Let's go, guys. We're
the
ready.
Americans' game. A
They
bit
love
more
the
than
drama.
Irish.
They love it, and I love watching it. It's great. But just not at
Time out.
20 to 12 at night.
I heard this was you in your game as well.
Oh
Ollie.
yeah, well, doing all that stuff.
Awful hissy fit.
Yeah.
The referee has to tell them to all stop. The referee has to tell them to all stop talking.
Yeah.
And then you trying to kiss me, right?
I was trying to get a third person in on the act, but.
So the women did it, and now the men are at it. Next thing they're going to ask. Do you know what's going to happen next?
We get a third referee.
Yeah, they're going to ask the referee. We want as the referee, but no, I don't think so. He's doing a great job, Dan.
No, Dan Grant, to be fair to him, very experienced.
Ah, he's amazing. He's done. It's been brilliant all week now. You have to give him the full 10 out of 10.
He has ref quite a few games for us in the Open and a couple of other grades.
Ah, yeah, unbelievable.
Give him great time. So
score is 14-15.
He's a great host at the UK Opens as well.
Ah, he's very good.
Right,
Yeah.
if you've been to any of them so far.
Oh wow.
Good bet. Oh yes.
I got lucky. I just got lucky.
Yep.
It's the only way you win, Ollie.
Pure luck. Pure luck. So back to this game. What do you think? Can you see a tiebreaker, John?
Unfortunately, I can.
Yeah.
But, it is more entertainment to watch back next week, I suppose, if anyone is in such a way inclined.
Yeah, we just got a text there from the great John Joe Cork. He said, "Look, lads, I'm enjoying the commentary, but I got mithered with you, Daniel. I was laughing at you talking, yourself and Joe, and I drove a half an hour, 30 miles out of my way on an electric car, and he just made it home with the battery gone." I will show you that text after. Unbelievable.
I got a text from Joe O'Connell, who was my partner in crime for the week, I
That's
suppose.
right, yeah.
And he sent me a text a while ago that courts 4, 5 and 6 are free to put a game in.
Oh yeah, deadly. And a big shout out to Mark Heenan. He sponsored some of the Mayo gear for us, and he was great.
15-0.
He'll be slaughtering lambs now in the butcher shop, not tomorrow but Monday maybe, and he'll be thinking about taking the ball off the back, well not the back wall, off the front wall, Chris. There's no back wall here. So big shout out to the great Mark Heenan and the butcher shop.
I think he was just unlucky losing out in the plate final doubles with Ian Fogarty.
That's right, yeah. What's going on now? Timbo's shaking the head. Glasses are coming up.
They're arguing with the singles champion, women's singles champion, over where the ball was out.
Oh, right.
Everything's an argument.
But they're great friends after 5 minutes, you know. It's amazing. Now, what's going on here now?
I think Daniel is just making sure that call is correct.
Okay, glove change.
Well, Nance is having a glove change. So it's 15 all, 15 each, lads. It's going to be a long night yet if this tiebreaker kicks off.
So, what's your experience in the Worlds been, Ali? How have you enjoyed it?
I've enjoyed it immensely, but I keep losing tiebreakers. I've had one tiebreaker after the other. I won't be able to walk tomorrow. Never mind get out of bed. You wake up in the morning, you're thinking, will I be able to move? Because every muscle will be sore. You know, when you even when you laugh, you're sore. So, yeah.
So you're sleeping in the camper van, you can just drive in the bed.
That's
bed.
right. I was trying to keep that camper van away from you, John, because you'd throw the doggies in it.
Okay, score is 16-15. Oh.
Yeah, big shout out to Kieran, one of the directors. He's actually packing up and he's tidying up and he looked after us all week. Great man, great sport, great man.
It's a 4-hour drive ahead of him tonight as well. Also
he's
very
saying goodbye to
dedicated.
us here. Thanks very much, Kieran. Chris told him he'll have a pint for him.
Till tastes very sweet, I'm sure.
Chris said he'll have a pint for everyone.
I'd have a pint for Joe Connell as well.
Good man. Okay, as the action unfolds, here we go.
So 16-15 here at the minute.
Yeah.
And it's getting...
The great Chris Doolan is watching in Oz. Chris is a great...
shot.
and Rory Kelly. Them guys were big one-wall players. Great one-wall players. The great Chris Doolin.
Great block there. He got it in through his legs, and Timbo not able to return it.
Right. He was lucky he didn't hit the other ball there. So back to the action here, 17-15.
18-15
18-15 now.
It's looking
18-15.
It's looking like we're heading towards a tiebreaker unless Timbo and Alan can produce something here, or a couple of mistakes from Nazir and Taiwan, and just their speed and their reactions is incredible in this game.
This is a great rally, big rally here.
Might have a big say.
That's it. They got the result. They kept boxing the boys out and they got it.
2 more points now, and we do head to a tiebreaker.
19-15.
And it looks like we'll be playing into official end time of the Worlds. Might be the Saturday.
Wow, that's interesting.
We've another 22 minutes to go. We'll have to change all the posters in post edit.
Very good.
Oh,
what a rally. What a rally. And Naz puts it into the ground. And he puts up his hand. He said, how did they do that? What a get from Timbo. The big man can move, Chris. John.
It looked like it was gone, and just threw out a hand.
Timbo reminds me, Chris. He can move like Chris. This is unbelievable. I could watch, seriously, I could watch this all night, lads. It's great. Oh, wow. Still in play. He's still down one knee. He's genuflecting here.
He's still playing.
Oh, man. That's some rally. That's the best rally of the match so far.
It's a replay. Timber, no timeout. It's in the middle of the point. We're replaying the point. It's in the middle of it. No, here. It's still the same point.
Timbo was going to drain his hands, but he forgot he had gloves on.
So our ref saying that because it's a replay, it's not actually, you're not allowed to actually take a timeout because the point hasn't been finished.
Okay.
There is quite a few rules that maybe some of the Irish are learning with wall ball.
Yeah, definitely, including
It's definitely
1916.
Some intricacies that maybe we're not used to. I witnessed earlier in one of the juvenile games. I think I might have been on commentary earlier with you, Chris, that if you don't straddle the line like Nazir is doing right now, then it's actually a second serve.
Yeah. And I seen Kira doing that. She was guilty of doing that. She was facing the front wall and not straddling the line. You know, facing the front wall like in 60 by 30. And no one copped onto it. You know, you have to straddle the line, meaning 1 foot each side of the dot.
And face inwards.
And face sideways.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but Kira was facing the side wall, standing outside the line, so no one copped onto it.
The referees will think it's going down.
Timbo said, what are you talking about, man?
So that's a point to the other team.
Timbo's going to dry the hands down, but he's forgetting his gloves on. He can't dry them. He's going for the
so
towel.
We're on timeout and we're on game point. So looks like, unless 5 straight rallies in a row go the other way, it's going to be a tiebreaker.
Right.
And you get your wish, Andy. You get you get to watch it all night.
Chris isn't happy about this wish.
I don't know.
Darren isn't too happy either about this.
I don't know if there are many people here happy.
Willie's happy. Willie's happy. He's a happy man.
Willie is not happy.
He's a double world champion, Willie. He's a double world champion.
Willie's definitely
the
not
great
happy
Willie
either.
Polanco. Chris is heading over to him.
Chris has had enough, I think. He said he's going. He said he's going to put it on the TV below in the stables.
The great Willie Polanco. He won the double. He won the Masters. He won the Open. Willie just kept playing every day he was here. He played small ball, big ball, doubles, singles.
I was talking to him just a few minutes ago, and he played 13 matches across. What do we have? 6 days.
He just won't stop playing. He was playing cards earlier as well.
Timeouts left.
He had 4 matches on Tuesday. I had 4 matches the whole week.
Whatever. I said to him, Willie, whatever you're on, I want some. What do you mean, man?
I see in front of us here we have the Grace family as well. The Grace and
great win
Roy
for the
Grace and Sean Cocktail had a great game against
great
two
game of
Americans
doubles
as well.
for the Grace family. Great, and commiserations about the granddad. Sorry for your loss, but great doubles, great doubles game.
And actually, a UL pairing actually, homegrown you could say.
What's that?
They're Sean and Roy are UL pairing, so they're homegrown in this venue.
Right, very good. That's interesting. Yeah. And here we go. We've got the tiebreaker. Just what I wanted. We're going to have a quick minute break.
Ollie gets to talk more.
We'll have a tiebreak of our own. We'll come back shortly.
around the running track we're up on here.
Man. Okay, we're back live here to the game, and it's we're going for the tiebreaker, John.
We are indeed.
We've got the great John Hurley back in the commentary box.
It all comes down to this: 11 aces.
Who are you going for, John?
I suppose it would be nice for Nazir to maybe do the double.
Right.
And been a good week. I have seen him quite a bit. Now all the Americans, to be fair, have been great all week. But Nazir, I think today, quite a few kids coming up asking for pens and markers.
He gave gloves out and jerseys out. He was great with them.
So he's quite inspiration.
Right.
And I was talking to McCullagh from TG Kelleher, Shane Walsh, who was here earlier, and he said he interviewed him and came across as quite a nice, shy guy, which may be quite different to
something like myself, so John.
No, quite the opposite. So yeah, but
Tim was looking for a cover.
He is. I think he kind of looks quite a bit.
I love the way Dan handles them, though. Dan is great with them.
Yeah, Dan very experienced and very cool character as well.
Very cool character.
Nothing phases him.
Yeah.
Dan played at the highest level himself quite a few years, so he's well used to all kinds of characters. Ooh, great shot.
Great cross-court serve by Taiwan. He's saying that's how you do it. That's how you do it, Nash. Naz.
So Taiwan and Naz off to a quick start, 3-1 here. And it's hard, especially with the rally scoring, if you get any bit of a lead. That
tiebreakers is cruel, isn't it? The tiebreaker's cool for rally scoring. It's cruel, isn't it?
4-1.
4-1. Jesus, all of a few seconds, I got 4-1 up.
It goes by very quickly.
Lovely touch.
Oh, great shot.
Two lovely touches. Feather the ball in.
5-1 already.
Wow, they're big trouble. Timbo and Alan are big trouble here.
5-1.
And they had a bit of a lead in the second game. Maybe not a huge one, but they looked like they might have been going on to win. But looks now the momentum has shifted to Taiwan and Nazir. Just about gets it up. Shot. Oh, great pass.
Timeout.
So 6-1, Ollie.
Wow.
I called it.
You did call it. You did call it, but it's not over yet.
No. I don't think I'm going to change my choice at this stage, though.
No, but Timbo can load off 3 or 4 aces off the trot. I see the great Luke Thompson there. The boys sat down. They changed their mind. They're going to go on the court again. They sat down. They're having a quick chat now.
Having a bit of a laugh as well.
They're like twins.
It's nice to see them nice and relaxed in the middle of
yeah, look at they're having
one of the biggest games.
Yeah, they're having a big discussion about the balls here. What are you going to do? They're like twins, and they're so thin. The one eye you do with them. Like them guys, they'd have to run around the shower for a long time before they get wet.
10 seconds.
And calling them in back into play now.
Oh God. So you've probably done this already, but we have to give a big shout out to all the GM crew and all our volunteers this week. We're on day 6, day 7, day 8, who knows?
Yeah, I didn't know what day it was. I didn't even know tomorrow was Sunday. I feel like we're here
tomorrow
for 3
isn't
weeks.
Sunday, Ollie. Tomorrow's Saturday.
Chris promised me tomorrow's Sunday. Damn.
He promised wrong.
So Chris got it wrong and he was giving it out to me.
So quickly now we've had 2 rallies and 6-3. Maybe it's not beyond our reach.
I can't believe it, Chris. He gave out to me for saying tomorrow, working tomorrow. He said there's no work tomorrow, Sunday, Ollie. He's enough cheek for another arse after that.
Yeah, you're very religious you are with taking off the Sundays.
Yeah.
Do it.
Oh,
I hear you do it 4 other days of the week as well.
Oh yeah, Sabbath day. I nearly went for the priesthood. imagine me a priest?
I can't at all.
I thought you were going to say I can.
I can't even imagine you a teacher, so
that's true.
That's less ridiculous than a
Yeah, a
priest.
few lads said to me, "Sir, are you sure you're a teacher?"
Oh,
wow!
what a shot!
The boys that your guys are putting on the pressure here, John.
They're put it
They're
flat.
really,
Look at
they're
that.
really putting on the pressure, and Naz helps up Alan. And Taiwan is looking for a floor wipe, and the great Jason is going to bring his. No, okay.
We look good.
Back
We look
again.
good. So 8-3 now. So they have to look like maybe we've got back to 6-3.
I think you're right. The writing's on the wall, John.
Jumping out again.
You have 2 left.
So it actually, we'd 4 knockouts on the serve straight in a row because we were 6-1. We got back to 6-3 and now we're going to 8-3 and we're on another timeout, I believe.
Yeah, Alan's going for a little walk for himself. Timbo went for a walk yesterday in the singles and I thought he had to get a map to find the court again. He went so long.
He went back to America.
Yeah. Jeez. So Alan's gone. He's like Elvis. He's left the building.
Left the building, indeed. So, the whole week, Ollie, what do you think might be the legacy from all this?
It's great for kids and it's great for us and it's great. Like I have to admit, I was against this first, John. I wanted the 4-wall, like the 2012 World, the 4-wall and the 1-wall together, but I changed my mind now. This is just brilliant. This is the way to go.
Yeah. And it does open up to new markets for the 1-wall Worlds, I suppose, that Europe has a chance maybe to host it down the line.
Yeah.
That we're not I suppose rotating routine. Just Ireland, US and Canada every 3 years. So we'll see down the line how we go. But we're here with maybe only 2 points to go now for Naz and Taiwan. They're almost there.
Timbo in a hurry to put the pressure on.
They're playing a bit of mind games with each other.
Oh wow, it worked.
That
worked for Timbo.
It worked for Timbo indeed.
The crowd enjoying that.
9-4.
Great blocking.
So we have
10-4.
Championship point.
This is for all the marbles.
Championship point.
And Alan said, I want to check the ball.
And
Timbo pelts the ball at him.
Ball, please.
We don't seem to be happy with that particular ball, so.
Yeah.
Championship point, 10-4.
We don't have many left at this stage.
Yeah. I refereed the game and we lost 16 balls. I couldn't believe it.
Are you sure you weren't playing in that game?
Well, I wasn't putting them in my pocket.
I went for a walk around the course, and there we go.
That's it.
Point.
You were right. And Chris celebrates. Cian celebrates.
Darren,
we're all celebrating here because
everyone's celebrating. It's over.
We've finished the game on a Friday night, not Saturday morning.
Just about.
We're all delighted. It's over. Chris shakes our hands here. It's like a World Championship title. And a big shout out to the production crew here, the camera, Luke, Damien, Liam, directors Nevin, Darren, and Kieran.
They've done a
Great
fabulous
stuff,
job
lads.
all
Well
week
done.
as well,
Thanks.
bringing all this coverage to you. And we'll just have the presentation here now soon. The crowd shows their appreciation. Yeah, an incredible game. It's
Unbelievable.
The speed, the reactions is just hard to imagine at times.
Oh, and Alan is taking the shirt off. He must be exchanging jerseys.
He's dolling himself off like McCullagh has today.
I think he's going. I think he's going. Chris, Alan and Chris are going out. They're going to be up to no good later.
Magnificent men's open final.
And we got the great McCullagh. He came all the way from America to support.
And I know
the CEO of the USHA handball.
I think we are going to dash out of here, but I really want to thank everyone, McAV, and everyone that has stayed on late, the ambulance crew, and anyone else that has been discommoded in a way by staying so late to watch such fantastic handball. And I've asked Matt Kruger, the head of the USHA, to present the medals as an All-American final. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Connor. So I think it's, of course, we're proud to have an All-American final. However, I do know in 2016, last time I saw him, Duxie Walsh told me that the Irish were coming and were going to dominate with one wall within the next 10 years. So this is the start, I know, of better things and bigger things, and we love what you guys brought all week. Thank you for hosting. But first thing Taiwan Cook said was, did we represent? And yes, you guys did. You represented the best handball in the world today, so nice job. Congrats to Taiwan Cook and Nazir Marston. You guys played like champions.
They're on medals.
We give them those? We're just going to do the medals. And hey, let's give it up for the guys who put on a great show all week and gave us a great tiebreaker final. Finalist Alan Sanchez and Timbo Gonzalez.
And nice, as you said earlier, Ollie, that they might not be friends on the court, but they are off the court afterwards.
It's great to see, yeah. It's great to see.
And nice respect. Taiwan and Naz already enjoying their celebrations.
They're two great characters. Guess. Are they going to give a speech? Photograph first.
So as we wrap up on day 6, as we're just about to turn into Saturday, what way would you wrap up the week, Ollie?
I thought it was amazing. It was great. Everyone helped out. We got through it together, John.
We did.
Chris was great. You were great. I was awesome. But no, seriously, everyone helped out. It was such a great tournament. I was worried how we were going to pull it off, but the volunteers were amazing. Everyone just chipped in. It was just unbelievable. What was your highlight, John?
The highlight was probably the 11 under doubles.
You don't have to go home, but you can stay here. Good night, God bless.
And Park says you don't have to go home, but you can stay here. Good night, God bless.
And I think on that note we'll say Slán Linn.
Okay, Slán Linn. We're going to wrap it up here. Thanks to everyone. Over and out.